Hashtag longform video 05, Ticketmaster ruled illegal monopoly. Hashtag hook, first 10 seconds. A federal jury just destroyed Ticketmaster. In one of the biggest antitrust victories in decades, Live Nation and its subsidiary Ticketmaster have been found liable on every single antitrust count. If you've ever complained about hidden fees, sold-out concerts, or being gouged at the checkout, this ruling changes everything. Here's what happened. Hashtag Chapter 1, the verdict. On April 15, 2026, a federal jury in New York delivered a landmark verdict. Live Nation Entertainment and Ticketmaster Entertainment were found liable on all monopolization counts submitted by the lawsuit. The jury determined that Ticketmaster overcharged consumers by $1.72 per ticket through anti-competitive practices. This is the first time a major ticketing company has been found guilty of operating as an illegal monopoly. Hashtag Chapter 2, the case background. The lawsuit was brought by the United States government along with over 30 states, including California, New York, Texas, and Florida. The case argued that Live Nation and Ticketmaster had illegally monopolized the primary ticketing market by bundling their promotions and venue businesses together. The jury heard testimony from dozens of witnesses over 5 weeks of trial before reaching their decision. Hashtag Chapter 3, what this means for fans. The ruling could fundamentally change how concerts and live events are ticketed. The court will now determine how many tickets are subject to the $1.72 damage award, which could be trebled under the Clayton Act. The Department of Justice is also expected to pursue structural remedies, potentially forcing Live Nation to separate Ticketmaster from its live events business. This could mean more competition, lower fees, and better access for fans. Hashtag Chapter 4, the broader impact. Live Nation controls roughly 70% of the live entertainment market in the United States. The company owns not just Ticketmaster but also major venues, promotion companies, and artist management services. The antitrust ruling exposes how this vertical integration has allowed the company to squeeze both consumers and artists. If the court orders a breakup, it could reshape the entire live music industry. Hashtag Chapter 5, what happens next? The defendants have already announced plans to appeal. Live Nation and Ticketmaster will file Rule 50 and Rule 59 motions challenging the verdict. There will also be a Tunney Act review of the DOJ's proposed settlement. The remedy phase will determine whether Ticketmaster is severed from Live Nation entirely. This legal battle will likely drag on for years, but the jury's message is clear: monopolistic practices in the live entertainment industry will not be tolerated. Hashtag call to action. If you've ever been frustrated by Ticketmaster's fees or sold-out shows, this ruling is for you. Like this video, subscribe for more news and business updates, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a story. Drop a comment below and tell us what you think about the Ticketmaster monopoly. See you in the next one. Hashtag tags. Ticketmaster, Live Nation, antitrust, monopoly, concert tickets, consumer rights, DOJ, federal jury, business news, entertainment industry. Hashtag facts verified. Federal jury found Live Nation and Ticketmaster liable on all antitrust counts. Crowell Law Firm analysis, Wikipedia, NYT. Verdict delivered April 15, 2026, Crowell, Wikipedia. Overcharged consumers by $1.72 per ticket, DOJ announcement, Wikipedia. Jury deliberated for approximately 5 weeks, Crowell. Over 30 states joined the lawsuit, Wikipedia. Live Nation controls roughly 70% of U.S. live entertainment market, widely reported. Clayton Act allows trebling of damages, standard U.S. antitrust law.